Hey, I want your service. I expect peak performance at all times, even if I bring my own device. But know this, I do things my way. If something's wrong with your service, I decide if I want my grandson on it, or if I want to put it in rice. I know for sure I don't want my son to fix it for me. I want to try and handle it on my own, on the bus or during tea time at home. I want to clearly see what my options are on the big screen and follow your guidance to resolve it, or your advice if now is a good time for an upgrade. Sometimes I want to visit you at your store. I'll decide which one, and I don't want to repeat myself. I already explained it once. If I end up sending it away, I don't care if it's in warranty, during lease period, or what needs to be done. Just make sure it gets back to me working quickly. No excuses, because I decide where and how to get my service.
MCE's Omni-Channel solutions got your customers covered at home, on the web, call center, retail, and logistics facilities. MCE serves operators, retailers, device manufacturers, insurance, and logistic companies, helping to provide excellent customer experience across all channels, reducing costs and overall handling time while increasing NPS and profitability. For more information, visit www.mce.systems.